Today we want to talk about open caching and the value that it brings to the video ecosystem, as well as the architecture and set of APIs that we're enabling in order to create this solution. Qwilt is a founding member of the Streaming Video Alliance, as well as the chair of the Open Caching Working Group that is defining this set of APIs, enabling open caching to be used by CDNs and content providers alike. The main idea behind CDNs is that they're able to basically bring content a lot closer to where the consumers are, and by doing that, improve the quality of experience and improve the economics of content delivery. Open caching takes this one step further and essentially extends the reach of the existing CDNs deep into the service provider networks by leveraging a set of open caching systems deep within the service provider network. As content delivery moves closer to where the users, latency drops and the risk of encountering any potential bottlenecks on the traversal path decreases. This makes a better quality of experience for the users. The open caching architecture leverages two main components. The first is a set of APIs between the CDNs and the open caching systems within the ISP networks. This is a set of APIs that we're defining as part of the Streaming Video Alliance. The second is the actual open caching nodes, or a collection of open caching nodes that create open caching systems in each individual service provider networks. These systems are the entities that are actually responsible for delivery of the content to the users. The way that the solution works is that the CDNs are able to leverage a set of APIs that allows them to discover where there are open caching systems deployed in the various ISPs, and later on they can delegate their delivery into these open caching systems. The open caching systems, in turn, are able to then deliver the content and stream it to the consumers from a distance that's several miles away from them at a very low latency compared to the way that delivery is currently being done. The value to the entire ecosystem is threefold. First and foremost, it's about quality. By delivering the content from a lot closer to where the consumers are, latency is decreased, and the ability to overcome potential network bottlenecks is vastly reduced compared to the existing framework. Secondly, in terms of economics, by delivering content this close, the entire infrastructure northbound of here doesn't have to scale as rapidly, and you're able to basically do it in a much more economic way. Lastly, because many service providers are having open caching systems deployed in their network, it means that there's a far greater reach for content delivery in places where existing CDNs and content providers not necessarily have reach today. And it means that we're able to get quality at high level to basically every consumer around the planet.